In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an assignment in Basecamp. This process is straightforward, but it requires a few vital steps to ensure everything's set up correctly and effectively. Let's dive in and explore how to create and assign tasks effortlessly within your Basecamp projects. First, before you can assign any tasks, you'll need to create a to-do list. Think of this list as a dedicated space to organize and manage the tasks associated with your project. To get started, open the project you're working on. You'll want to navigate directly to the To-Dos tool, which is your hub for task management. Once you're there, look for the plus New List button and give it a click. Now, here's where a little bit of creativity and foresight can go a long way. Provide your new list with a meaningful title and, if necessary, an optional description. This description is an excellent spot for jotting down notes, attaching files, or even using at mentions to highlight specific points or team members. With your to-do list set up, you're ready to add an assignment, which Basecamp refers to as a to-do. Find the option to Add a to-do and click that. This is your moment to define what needs to be done, so enter a clear and concise title for the task or assignment. Remember, clarity in naming tasks helps everyone understand the objectives right away. Assigning the task to the right person is essential, so head over to the Assigned To field. Start typing the name of the person responsible for completing the task. You'll find that Basecamp is quite intuitive here. It will automatically suggest team members already associated with the project, making this step quick and simple. Now that you have your assignment outlined and assigned, it's time to enhance it with additional details that may be necessary for its completion. Setting a due date is crucial, so choose either a specific date or a date range that reflects the timeline for the task. A great feature in Basecamp is that the person assigned will receive a reminder at 9 a.m. the day before the task is due, and again at 9 a.m. on the due date itself. This helps keep everyone on track with their responsibilities. Moreover, if there are specific notes, images, or files that better clarify the assignment, make sure to attach these directly to the to-do. These details ensure that nothing is lost in translation and everyone has what they need to succeed. Finally, after you've meticulously filled out all necessary fields, it's time to save your work and finalize the assignment. Click Save or Add this to-do, and just like that, the person you've assigned the task to will receive an immediate notification. Congratulations! You've successfully added an assignment in Basecamp, empowering your team to move forward efficiently and effectively. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you feel confident managing tasks with Basecamp.